Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of 21 Days to Good Hair. I think I do sound like a man because I have an extremely stuffy nose, but that doesn't stop us from doing our day 15 of 21 Days to Good Hair. Well, today's ingredient is something which I love to eat. It is a fruit that has full of magnesium, folic acid, B6, B5, copper. So you can't imagine how good this is going to be for your hair growth and preventing any hair thinning. It's a multi-purpose task. Multi-purpose mask. You can apply it on your hair, and then you can apply it on your face, and then you can eat it also. So yeah, it's totally up to you what quantities you want to make, but we are going to start with the pack, which would be good enough to apply it on our hair. So let's get started. Wait a minute. I didn't even tell you what the name of the ingredient was. Well guys, today's superfood is strawberries. Yes, it's one of my favorite berry, and we're gonna make a mask today. So let's get started. Guys, we would need 6 to 8 strawberries, 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 spoons of honey. We'll mix all these together in a mixie. I'm back after my shampoo. It feels very soft, shiny and silky. I didn't even use any conditioner while shampoo, and if you are someone who's suffering from a lot of split ends, this works really well. Like, just look at the texture of my hair. So I had no hair fall during shampoo, and I had very little hair fall while I was drying my hair. So yeah, it was a great day 15, and I'll see you guys on day 16 now. Bye guys.